Is Daddy burping?
Someone. Somebody's not cooperating. Let's let her rip.
At either end.
Let her rip, buddy. Brr. I got you. Brr. Now, no. What you doing on my shoulder, maybe?
You think he just wants to sleep?
Depending on what position he's in. If I nestle him in the crook of my arm, he starts to drift off. I don't think he'll go to sleep if I put him on my shoulder. He doesn't really like this position. And it hasn't been all that effective with with getting him to bark. You run the camera, you have to do the commentary.
I'm just watching you.
Just watching.
I have to get you changing a diaper.
Okay. What's next?
That's next.
What's next?
Okay. Stop it.
Stop?
Yeah. Say bye.
Bye. See you in about a minute.